Welcome to Start Smart Hockey, brought to you by championverse.com. Most beginners think stopping is about strength or bravery. It is not. Stopping is a skill of edge control and force management. Poor stopping mechanics are a leading cause of falls, collisions, and early injuries in beginner hockey. Injury risk rises when deceleration is poorly trained. Tim Hewitt. To truly master the hockey stop, you must first change how you think about it. Stop thinking of it as an abrupt, forceful action. A proper hockey stop is controlled deceleration. You are intentionally and smoothly slowing your body down by converting forward momentum into manageable friction against the ice. You are not slamming on the brakes like a car skidding to a halt. The magic of the stop is in how your blades interact with the ice. Angle the blades so sharp edges bite, creating friction to slow you down. Your ankles, knees, and hips absorb the forces of deceleration.